What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're out here doing a little bit of open water fishing. I was missing it, so we're out here at a small little creek. I fished it once before really quick. I stopped on the side of the road back in the fall, and I caught, I think, 3 fish, a brown and then 2 cutthroat. And yeah, we're back. I've already been fishing for probably about an hour, actually. Yeah, I started a place downstream for me right now. They didn't look the best, but I just gave it a try. I didn't see anything, no bites, no follows, nothing swimming around. But we're up here in all this brush, and there's a lot of kind of little beaver dams, which makes deep holes. And I just was casting into one, and I had what I believe was a brown trout that was actually pretty decent size, probably around 15 inches. Hit, came off. I have a little bit too light of a rod around my ultralight. And yeah, that was a little too small, but we're gonna make do. Hopefully we can get some fish. Stay tuned. So this is the rod I'm using. It's a Moonshine Rodco, the Rambler, 6-foot ultralight, and I believe this is 8 or 10 pound braid, and this is 8-pound line, which is honestly kind of heavy for this creek. It's really heavy for this creek, but I don't have any other leader with me, and it was already tied on. And then we just got size 4 Panther, silver with that yellow and red body, and has a red hook. And yeah, this lure, I've been using it the whole time. It's definitely a little too heavy for this rod, but I got a bite, so I'm not going to take it off. I'll just have to get a better hook set and hope for the best. So as you can see, all these branches are chewed up by a beaver, or multiple beavers. Actually, there could be a few, because this has already been a pretty big stretch. I've seen a few dams. Here's a big dam, big beaver dam. The water looks a little stagnant in this though, but we're obviously gonna give it a shot. Yeah, it's all kind of frothy looking. Oh guys, that was a nice brown. Holy crap, in this nasty looking water. Oh my gosh. Dang it, I should have brought my bigger rod. I was gonna. That was a solid fish. Both fish I've had the shot at were at least decent, for sure over 12 inches. Alright guys, I realized we weren't on the main stem of the creek. Just backtracked, we're on it. I was wondering how it got turned to such slow water everywhere. Alright, this looks really good. Oh, we got hit. Dang it. That was a hit. This rod is too light. Got one. Oh my gosh. That was a big fish, guys. Dude. Here we go, we're gonna try again. Tying my drag. Got one, guys. I don't think it's the fish I missed, but it is a fish. It looks like it's a cutthroat. I tightened my drag, and that's what helped me out there. I'm missing all these fish. My drag was too loose with the light rod. Show him the camera. There he is. Chunky little Bonneville Cutthroat. Get him out of this mud and get the hook out real quick. It's on the size 4 Panther Martin. Alright. There he is, beautiful cutthroat. Middle of January, stream fishing. There he goes. So I caught 1 fish and missed 2. And I think the first miss was probably a different fish, but I guess it could have been the big one. The good thing about a small creek like this is I now know that there's a big fish that lives in this hole. And what I'm gonna do, come back next Friday, next weekend, and I'm gonna have my better rod. I'm gonna catch that fish. Got one. It's a good fish, guys. Another Bonneville. Maybe it was a Bonneville I missed. There we go. This is a bigger one. That's a beautiful fish. Look at that. That is just awesome. Clap that, Panther Martin. Beautiful Bonneville. That one's probably 15. Solid fish. Super chunky. He's got the speckles on the bottom. That's really cool. Chunky fish. It's good he's staying healthy in the winter. He went down there with the other one. All right, we are 2 of 4 right here, just in the back half. Oh dang, something's tangled. Got one. Got one, guys. Another cutty. Maybe these are all cutthroat in this hole. I think they are. Beautiful fish though. Hook popped right out. Another nice one. Beautiful wild Bonneville Cutthroat. There he goes. He went upstream. Alright guys, we're at a new creek, new spot and everything. The other creek, it was looking pretty bland for deep holes. Wasn't seeing too much after walking for a while, so decided I would just head to another creek. So we're at another creek I've fished twice before, but only way upstream where it's really small. So this is downstream. I think there's brown trout and cutthroat, maybe rainbows too. But yeah, we have the same lure on. We're gonna see what we can get. There we go, same Panther Martin. Same everything, just new creek. And maybe some browns. I think browns are the main thing in here, which I actually thought about the last one too. So we'll see. We got a old bridge. Looks like it's deep up there where I just casted. Oh, that was a fish. Dang it. I don't know. I want to say it was a brown, but it's hard to say. Gotta get my sunglasses on, get my eyes adjusted. Got one, guys. Nice brown. There we go. First hole on the creek. Oh, it's a nice brown. Beautiful colors. Oh my gosh. Thing is beautiful. I'm gonna get all the mud off, but wow, that is a beautiful brown trout. Look at that fish. Oh my gosh. Look how healthy he is. Middle of the winter. Chunker. So he has a big old hole right there. A legit hole. I think I saw 3 bald eagles when I was walking in. Sadly, I didn't get them on camera. But I wonder, they were perched. There's some trees on the other side of this hill. And this is right here. And yeah, I wonder if they tried getting them. Alright guys. Beautiful brown trout. Middle of the winter. Snow everywhere. It's a mild winter, but still January right now. Got this fish let go. Chunky. Right back in. This is another spot I just cast it on. There's a little log. It's shallower, but makes a little eddy. That spot right there would definitely hold a fish in the summer, but not in the winter. There's a good cast. Good fish. Good fish. There we go. Come on. Stay up. Stay up here. Get him in a puddle over here. Nice brown. Okay, beautiful fish, guys. We got a quick picture. Colors are insane. We're gonna release him back in the hole he was in. We're gonna let him go back where he was. There he is. All right, let's go find another deep spot. This looks juicy right here. Curves right over there, curves right here. Water's slowed down a good bit. It's hard to tell how deep it is, but it looks like it's got some depth. Dang. I feel like this is a good looking spot. I'll give it a few casts. I think there's gotta be one in here. Hit something. Could have been a snag. Oh, we had to follow. We had to follow. We gotta get one out of these. These are kind of the same hole. I think there's a few fish in here. There's a fish. Stay on. It's a good fish. Woohoo! Nice. Look at that fish, guys. Oh my. Beautiful. There he is. There he goes. Back in. Nice deep hole right here. Thank you guys for watching here to the end of the video. I'm gonna stop right here. I was hoping that bend behind me was gonna be a deep spot, but it looks pretty shallow. Don't wanna get too far from the car. I had a great day. Caught 3 cutthroat and I think 3 brown trout. 3 at the one creek, 3 browns here. So it was pretty productive, honestly, for a winter day of fishing. I've had worse days in the summer. So I'm super happy with what we were able to get, and I hope you guys were able to enjoy watching and yeah, seeing those cutties and brown trout go for the panther. Thank you guys again for tuning in. Subscribe if you haven't already. Comment down below if you have any questions, and hit that like button if you enjoyed. Tight lines, everybody.